YouTube. So, we back. Hey, thanks for clicking. Toy review. 2020 baby Seth. So, that right there is supposed to help him crawl around. Seth, let it go. There we go. Now, let's see if he goes for it. Okay, does what it's supposed to. Press the button. Yep, it's easy enough for him to press the buttons. Press the buttons. You'll get your jumper later, relax. Do you like that one? Do you like your toy right there? Huh? Yeah? I like the baby Einstein product line. And he does too. Go get it. Go get it. Yep. Whoa. Go get it. Yeah. Don't stop. Come on. You got it. That's it. Keep going. Nice little automated system in it. That way it keeps the baby entertained. Oh yeah. You alright there? You getting tired from walking a little while ago? You practicing? You can't get tired yet. Oh. Go get that. Go get it. Go get it. Yep. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Go get it. Perfect. See? Because his attention span went somewhere else. It went off. Brought him right back. Press that button. Press it. Yep. A little harder. Sorry. Oh, wait, no. Go get your toy. Go ahead. Sit. Sit. Sit down. It's okay. Go ahead. Sit. Sit. Okay. Now, I also like the baby Einsteins because they give it to you in 3 different languages. Alright? Look at this. Okay? You have it in English, Spanish, and French.
English et français. Español.
See that?
English. Español. Français.
All of
Español.
them.
Triángulo verde.
Peace out. I'm supposed to chase it like an animal. What's this guy doing? You going to get it? Oh, he's ready to do other things. See? So, what I think about the toy is, it's easy for him to touch the buttons to turn it on. That's a good thing. So, that's a plus. Clearly he's entertained. That's another good thing. Good sign. Let it go, y'all. So it can go. Push it. Push it. There you go. YouTube! Hey, thanks for checking us out. At Seth Speaks TV, man. What do you think about your toy? Yeah? Did you enjoy it? You had fun with it? Yeah? Oh, you know, it's feed time. But we gotta ask to make sure. You liked it, right? You was able to learn? You still learning? Yeah? Okay, press the button for me. Yep.
Green.
Alright. Boom. So, that's that baby crawl ball from baby Einstein. You know, on a 1 to 10, I'm gonna go with a 7. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go with a 7. It won't get the 10 because it doesn't keep them completely fully entertained. But the way I look at things is, you know, I'm giving you ratings off of your functions. It's very easy. Buttons are easily pressed. They work right away. So that's always a plus. It does say the number. It does say that the triangle's there, and it tells them the color, and it does it in all the different languages. So that is beautiful. What else, man? Oh, we also think that it's good for them to run around on the floor, and it keeps them going. Yeah, put that down. Boom. You know, it keeps them going when they're on the floor. So for him, it's about a 5-minute time span that he stays going, which is why, again, it's only at a 7 for its rating, because it doesn't keep him fully engaged for a long time. It does teach. It does do exactly what it says it's supposed to do. That's a plus, 2 pluses, but it just doesn't do it for a very long period of time. Maybe if we started him off with the during like tummy time earlier in his lifespan, then he might be more engaged in it. But for the most part, he's not worried about it. Another thing on that scale of how I'm rating it is, you know, the baby's reaction. He has a good reaction when he sees it. So that's a plus. That's what we like. I'm checking for his food. He got a little bit of peanuts in here, so I'm just trying to make sure the peanuts are small enough for him to bite. Actually, I tried to make sure that was the case, because right now he has some orange chicken, peanuts, rice and green beans. So, orange chicken, peanut rice, and green beans. Got a nice little hefty mix going in here. He's been loving it. And just playing no games with it. Chopping on that cracker here. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for checking us out. If you like what we have going on, you like our content, don't forget to smack that like button, smack that subscribe button. Yup, smack it, smack it, smack it, smack it. Just like he does those tables. Smack, smack, smack. Smack that like button, smack that subscribe button. We're in here, let us know. He does the feed and reads, so feel free to check us out on the next one. And the next toy review coming up will be on his little walker. Wait till you see him move them legs, okay? You all right? Let's get some water in you. Sit up. Thanks for checking us out. Boom, Seth Speaks TV. Smack those buttons. Would I buy it again for the price that we paid for it? I want to say this was a under $20 toy at Target. So yeah, I mean, I would pay for it again because the value of it wasn't bad for what I got for it. And I mean, in 5 minutes, it's pretty priceless. Just trying to keep him entertained for it. Yeah. You like that? Yeah? Look it. He's ready to play with those buttons now. Trying to press him. Wants to hear what it has to say. Oh.